Welcome to Author Talker. Today we are discussing how to choose a profitable book topic in 10 minutes. Your book does not fail because of bad writing. It fails because of the bad topic. Let me repeat that. Your book fails or succeeds before you write even a single word. Today I will show you how to find a profitable topic within 10 minutes. I always choose the topic first. Writing comes later. I am author Peter. I published 30 books on Amazon KDP. Some topics worked, some topics did not work. The difference was never writing skill. It was the topic selection. Why most people choose wrong topics? Here are the reasons. Most beginners choose topics like this. I like this topic. I am interested in this topic. I feel passionate about this topic. Passion is good, but passion does not pay the bills. Readers don't buy for passion. They buy for solutions. That is the first shift you make. Point 1. Look for the pain, not for passion. Profitable books are built on pains. Pain means problems, frustrations, confusions, fear. Ask yourself simple questions. What are people struggling with? What keeps them awake at night? What do they want to fix first? Examples: stress, anxiety, weight loss, relationship, money problems, career confusions. When pain is high, people look for answers and they are willing to pay for clarity. Point number 2. Check what readers are buying already. Never guess. Let Amazon tell you the truth. Go to the Amazon search bar. Search your topic. Look at top results, book titles, subtitles, and reviews. If people are buying books, there is a demand. You can check which books get more sales, top reviews, top ranking. Read the reviews carefully. Reviews tell you what readers like, what they hate, what is missing. This is the free market research. If nobody is buying your topic, don't waste your time. Point number 3, solve one specific problem at a time. This is where most books fail. They try to solve everything. Big topic, broad audience, no clarity. Instead of go narrow. Not stress management, but stress management for working professionals. Not weight loss, but weight loss for women over 40. One problem, one reader, one clear promise. Specific books sell better than general books. So keep it in mind. Select a topic, go narrow, consider one group of readers, make clear promise, and deliver. So let us sum up. Here is your 10 minutes test. Is there is a real problem? Ask yourself. Are people already buying books on it? Can I solve one small part of it clearly? If the answer is yes to all 3, you have a profitable topic. So remember this, writing does not make money. A right topic make money. Choose wisely, then write. If you want to learn more, subscribe this channel. In the next video, I will show you how unknown authors still get book sales. See you on the next video. Bye.